Hey everyone, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. We're discussing tech tips that are useful for you in your everyday life and are easy to understand. Alright, let's get started.
In today's tech tip, we're going to be talking about how to use Airdrop. Airdrop is a useful feature when you want to transfer files, photos, or videos from one Apple device to another Apple device. So say for example, you are with a friend and you want to transfer photos or videos from their phone to your phone, or you want to transfer your photos or videos to your Mac. You can do it through Airdrop. One of the benefits of Airdrop is that it doesn't need a Wi-Fi network to be connected. So you could be out and about doing your thing, be on a trip, or maybe like walking around and you can do this. It's a very useful feature, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. So the first thing is to show you how to set up your Airdrop. So on a Mac device, you want to click on the Finder window, and you want to go to Airdrop, and you want to make sure that this button right here, it says Allow Me to be Discovered, is changed to either Contacts Only or Everyone. No one is going to be how you disable Airdrop. Contacts Only is going to be for people only in your address book, and then Everyone is going to show it to everyone that has Airdrop enabled for their phone. So I'm going to go ahead and do Everyone for now. Next, we're going to go to my phone, and I need to turn it on my phone as well. So I'm going to go here and click on Settings. I'm going to click on Airdrop. I'm going to change it to Everyone. Then I'm going to press back because this is going to enable that as well. So now you see that on my Mac here, my iPhone has shown up in the Airdrop menu. If there's multiple devices in your area, make sure you click on the correct device that you want to send it to. Next, what I'm going to do is if I'm sending from a Mac to my phone, I'm going to just do this. I'm going to click and drag the file onto my phone. You can see it says waiting, sending, and then bam, it's into my phone. Now on some devices, it might ask you if you want to accept the photo from such and such person, and so you can go ahead and click no, yes if you get that dialog box. So you can see now that the file is on my phone. But what if I want to send from my phone to another device? Well, I'm going to go to the photo I want to send, and then I'm going to down here on the bottom left where we have this box and this arrow, I'm going to go ahead and click that, and you can see it says Derek's MacBook Pro. I'm going to go ahead and click that, sending, and now it's sent, and now that has come up on my computer. You can see it popped up right here in the download section. All right, and that's it for our tech tip for today. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.
Thanks for joining me for another Tech Tip Tuesday. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I release a new video every Tuesday. Alright, see you in the next one.